throughout the night. Lord, we submit our session this morning to you. We pray for knowledge, we pray for guidance, we pray for wisdom to be able to take these studies and to deliver in the name of Jesus. We submit our prof into your hands. Father, guide him, give him the knowledge and understanding to impact on us. This we ask in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, so let's take the question. Let's take the question. The news level, the first one, November 2024. Question 1. So one person should read for us. One person should read for us and let's start. Yes.
Please, can I read?
Go ahead.
Below is a trial balance of Paga Teaching Hospital under the Ministry of Health for the year ended 31st December 2023.
So go to the requirements.
Okay. Additional information 1. The hospital
Go to
until
the requirements.
Okay. Required in compliance with IPSAS, the PFM Acts and the Chart of Accounts of Government of Ghana, prepare a statement of financial performance for Paga Teaching Hospital for the year ended 31st December 2023. B. A statement of financial position of Paga Teaching Hospital as at 31st December 2023. C. Explain event after the reporting date in line with IPSAS. Is in line with IPSAS 14. Event after the reporting date. Show all workings.
Okay, so let's open our first page. So let's open our first page and start the statement of financial performance. So let's start with Paga. So first the Paga Teaching Hospital. Statement of financial performance. For the year ended. So it's for the year ended 31st December 2023. So your first page. Statement of financial performance. So you can put on a note. The statement is in thousands of Ghana cedis. So the note and then the thousands of Ghana cedis. So you know what to do. This is subvented, right?
Yes.
So revenue. Now what? Government of Ghana subvention, right?
Yes.
Then you have what? Internally generated from the IGF. Then you have what? Donations and grants, right?
Yes.
Then go and talk about the expenditure. Compensation of employees. Goods and services. Consumption of fixed capital. And I told you that these ones are constant. The rest, interest subsidies grants, you don't know whether it is there, so we leave space for the rest. Then go to the second page too. Then go to the second page too and put the statement of financial position and PAGA teaching hospital. Statement of financial position as at 31st December 2023. We leave the statement of financial position. Mhm. We also leave a page for it. And let's go to our workings. So workings, all figures in thousands of Ghana cedis. So let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. Have you finished setting your pro forma? Have you finished setting your pro forma? Are you done setting your pro forma?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Annette and Co. Unmute yourself. Annette, Mashood, Sam, unmute yourselves and contribute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so start reading your footnotes. Footnote 1. So hello. Who was reading for Regina? Are you not the one reading?
Oh, okay.
And so, okay, let's go to the trial balance. Let's take all the items, the trial balance one after that, and label them. We have cash and bank GOG, right? Cash and bank beside it. Then cash and bank IGF, also cash and bank. Cash and bank donor funds, also cash and bank. Undeposited cash and bank, we have to add it. Petty cash and bank. So all of them, you can put one big bracket over it and write cash and bank, current assets. So write cash and bank CE, which means current assets. Are you okay?
Yes.
So we can start collecting them so that we don't waste time. We can start collecting them. One, we can start aggregating them because some of them, the adjustments, they will be small. So cash and bank, let's start GOG. GOG is what, 3,400, eh?
Yeah, 3,400.
IGF 72,200. Donor funds 210,400. Then undeposited cash 4,000. Petty cash 100. You can leave enough space. Later there is something fine. Investment, investment is what? investment is a current asset. Debtors is receivables. So receivables, we can open an opening balance for it. Receivables. So what's the opening balance of receivables? The debtors is what? 661,400. So tick it. If you work with it, tick it so that you don't forget. Then we have other receivables, 17,700. Let's add it. Other receivables. Other receivables. 17,700. Then withholding tax, it's a payable, right?
Yes.
Withholding tax, trust funds, and then trade payables. Okay, so that's also payable. So we can also open, leave enough space for it, about 7 lines. We can also open a payables account. In order for us not to waste time, we can also open a payables account. Then we have what? Opening balance of 452,400. Then withholding tax and trust funds. Withholding tax. So trust funds, you can treat it separately as a fund. Withholding tax 2,900. Tick them. The ones we are using, tick them so that when we go there, we know we have used it. Then we have Government of Ghana subsidy, employee compensation. Government of Ghana subsidy, goods and what? Services. So this is Government of what? Ghana. Yes, employee compensation and then goods and services. So they will also fall under employee compensation and goods and services respectively. They will fall under employee compensation and goods and services respectively. Okay. So employee compensation. Okay, so you leave them down. When we come to aggregating compensation, we can whatever that is big, so that we don't lose space for it. Then let's go development partners programs receipt. So these donations and grants. So let's go to this donations and grants. Donations and grants. Donations and grants. We have what? Development partners program receipt. Development partners program receipt is what? 561,900. Please, are you following? Please, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. Then other non-operating income. This will also qualify as IGF. So write IGF beside it. Medicines and pharmaceuticals is also IGF. Surgical IGF. So the IGF is many. We can start collecting the IGF. Okay, 5. Internally generated fund. So you can start listing your IGF. Yes, we have what? Other non-operating income. Other non-operating income. Yes. How much is that? 1,500. So start adding them. Medi Medicine and pharmaceutical at 443, 900. So medicine and pharmaceuticals. 433, 900. Then we have surgical, medical, surgical, medical, 5,800, 400, 5,800, 400. Investigation, OPD, investigation, OPD, 1,4,900. 2,38,400. Obstetrics and gynecology, 1,353,300. Dental, pediatrics, pediatrics. So dental and pediatrics, 8,300, 4,300. 8,300, 4,300. Then we have what? ENT, eye care, mortuary. Ear, nose, and throat, eye care, mortuary, 5,300, 7,300, 7,300, 30,000. Ambulance ophthalmology, ambulance ophthalmology. The reason why they are loading it plenty is they wanted to make a mistake in the addition. Ambulance 300, 3,000, 200, 3,000. Physiotherapy examination fees. Physiotherapy examination fees. Physiotherapy examination fees. Dialysis feeding. Dialysis feeding. Okay, so let's see. Physio. Let's be careful. Physio 300, 200. 300, 200. 400 and 3,400. 3,400. So you list them for the meantime. It's 3,400, not 3,400. 3,400. 3,400. So list them for the meantime. Those who've listed, tick all of them. Tick all of them. Tick all of them. Are we okay? Tick all of them. Please, are you okay? Have you written all?
Not yet.
Are you okay?
Yes, please.
Okay. Leave enough space. You don't know what will happen. Then we have employee compensation, GOG, goods and services, GOG. So let's look at employee compensation of employees. Compensation of employees. So government of Ghana, that's what 3,912,500. Then we also have what? Goods and services GOG, employee compensation IGF. Employee compensation IGF, what 148,000. Then let's go to goods and services too. Let's do goods and services too. But I think goods and services have we captured goods and services already? No. So goods and services. Goods and services. Yeah, so goods and services. We have government of Ghana. How much was captured there? 2,800, right?
Yes.
Right. 2,800. Then what again? Capital expenditure, IGF, goods and services, partner fund 472. So goods and services, partner fund, partners fund, partners fund, how much? 978,500. Are you getting it?
Did you skip the other ones?
No, but we have goods and services, GOG, employee compensation, we've indicated it, and goods and services, IGF. I've not skipped it. But we have the other one we have here. We have compensation of employees. We have employee compensation, government of Ghana, 3,912,500. Can you see it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then we have goods and services, IGF. So goods and services, government of Ghana is also there. Sorry. So you can see goods and services, government of Ghana, 2,800. Can you see? Then we have employee compensation, IGF. So employee compensation, IGF for 148,000. Then we have goods and services, IGF. So you have goods and services to IGF. How much is it?
But Prof,
Yes.
so you see that the initial goods and services
Wait,
was
I'm coming. Hold on. We'll get there. The goods and services IGF is what 978. Why that right partners fund? Goods and services IGF. So why that right partners fund? So goods and services IGF 978. Then we have what? Goods and services. Our partners fund is also there. Goods and services partners fund, which is what? 472,400. So you list them first, then accumulated fund. Okay. Now those two goods and services and the switch word credit. So list them and tick on, and I'll explain that one to you. My brother, are you okay?
okay.
Those ones are a bit technical, so I want you to list these ones and I'll explain it for you. So list these ones, then the ones that you've not ticked, let me explain to you.
Hello, no.
Yes.
Please, what's the name? The Partners Fund and the GOG, the one they contributed towards the goods and services and the compensation. Will we treat it as revenue since it's from the donor and government of
I'm
Ghana?
coming there. But I'm coming there. That's why I'm
Okay,
coming
okay.
to.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Okay. Please, are you all done with it? So that I'll explain those two. Are you all done with it? So that I'll explain those two. Please mind me. Are you all done with this?
Yes, please. Okay, I am done. I don't know if you got that.
Hey, the rest of you, why are you not talking? Alasan and Co. Alasan, Emmanuel, Samuel Billy. Why are you people not talking?
We are done.
Okay, so which ones have you not ticked? Which ones have you not ticked from the statements? Withholding tax, right? Okay, withholding tax, we've used it. It's a payable. Trust funds, right?
Accumulated fund.
Yeah, trust fund is a fund. We'll go and deal with it. From the beginning, Government of Ghana subsidy, employee compensation. Can you see that thing? Can you see it?
Yes.
Now, Government of Ghana subsidy, and it's for employee compensation, but you can see it's on the credit. It means it was an income. It means it was a revenue received from Government of Ghana towards the payment of employee compensation. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes.
It means it was actually, what do you call it? Revenue received from Government of Ghana towards employee what? Compensation. So you go to employee, what do you call it? Government of Ghana subvention. It was received from Government of Ghana. So you call it Government of Ghana subvention. That's an income. Government of Ghana subvention. I want you to identify something there. There was a small trick in the question. So the first one was what? Employee compensation, right? So employee compensation. How much was it? How much was it? 3,912,500. Meaning we received this from the government towards payment of employees. So it will go to our Government of Ghana subvention. Then it will also go to payment of employees, which is compensation. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? So look at the compensation. Look at the compensation here. Compensation. Can you see the same figure is here?
It's the same amount.
Can you see the same figure is there?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, it's the same figure.
Yes, open your eyes. It means that they've treated the first one for you, so you don't repeat it again. Are you getting it?
Okay.
Are you getting it? Then the second one too, you have Government of Ghana subsidy, goods and services. So that one too, go to Government of Ghana subvention and say goods and services. How much is that amount? How much is that amount? 22,000, right?
Yeah, 22,000.
22,000. So it was the Government of Ghana gave it to you towards goods and services. So go to the goods and services. See if you've captured it. Go to the goods and services and check if you've captured it. If you've not captured it, then you deal with it.
We have, but the amount is not the same. There's a little bit of difference.
Yeah, so we have where is it? Where is it?
Working 7, GOG, working 7, GOG 2,800.
Good. So what does it mean? What does this mean? What does it tell you? When you see this, what does it tell you?
So meaning we
What does it
couldn't
tell you?
use all the funds for goods and services received from Georgia.
Yes, we couldn't use. We received 22,000 from what do you call it, Government of Ghana towards goods and services, but we couldn't use all. So what does it actually mean? We couldn't use all. What does it actually mean? What does it actually mean? So you
That means
pause
the
there.
balance will be sitting in your bank account, the cash in bank. Oh.
The balance will be sitting in the cash and bank, but so it means it's part of your cash and bank balance. So you don't
Yes.
know. You don't know whether, listen, at this point, you need to be smart. You are an accountant. You don't know whether the balance was actually sitting in the bank. If it's sitting in the bank, then it means it's already part of our cash. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Are you getting it? Or it could be that they have actually used it for another expense. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It could be that they've actually used it for another expense or it is sitting in our cash. So to know this, the footnote will tell you. So you will not be in a hurry to record it. It's the same figure here. But that difference, you don't know whether the difference is sitting in our bank account or it has been used for another expenditure. So you go and read the footnote. If it has been used for another expenditure, the footnote will tell you. Are you getting the point?
Yeah.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
getting the point? So you go to the footnote and then start working. If it is there, the footnote will tell you. If the footnote doesn't tell you anything about it, it means that it was actually part of our cash. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? So it's two things. You cannot record, what do you call it, 22,000 here, and then go and take whatever you have out of the cash. No. This is what you spend for the year. So, goods and services are an expense. So the goods and services I spent for the year was actually 20 what? 800. So that is what I'll record. Are you getting the point?
Mm.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then the balance of it, it is not a receivable. Assuming they promised us 22,000 and we've received only 2,800, the difference would have been a receivable. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand? But here is the case. Here is the case. They actually gave us all the 22,000. Then we have used 2,800. It means the rest is already part of what? Our cash. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? So you can see that in the cash, you have things like undeposited cash and the rest. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
You can see that you have undeposited cash and the rest. So the assumption is that it may be part of one of them. You don't know. So you go to the footnote. If the footnote tells you something about it, then there you go. So let's go to the footnote. Footnote 1, it said the hospital until the year 2023 used modified accrual accounting, and then the controller accountant general in 2023 directed all MDAs to prepare the 2023 financial statement on the accrual basis. So this is a formality. 2, the hospital revalued its legacy assets acquired and expensed before the year 2023 as follows. Now, what do you understand by legacy assets? If we say legacy assets, how do you understand it? What are legacy assets? Legacy assets, who can tell us what they are? Legacy assets. Anybody to tell us what they are? Legacy assets. Anybody has an idea? Okay, so search it. Google legacy assets and tell us and find out what it gives you. Somebody should do that. Please give me 2 minutes and let me enter the washroom. I'll be back. Okay. Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Yes, give me some few minutes. I'll be back. I'll join you.
I'm trying to do anything. You don't want. Oh. Let.
Yeah, I'm back. Hello. Hello, my people. Hello.
Yeah, we are here.
Yeah,
Yes,
hello.
so let's continue. So where were we? Where did we get to? We're on the footnote, and I said they said revalue. So I was asking what are legacy assets? I'm sure by now you have researched somewhere. What are legacy assets? Who can tell us what legacy assets are? Annette, will you give it a try?
It's a
Annette.
long-held asset.
Long-held assets for what?
I'm sure it has exceeded its useful life, which has exceeded its useful life. So in that case, wouldn't calculate depreciation, consumption of fixed assets on those assets.
Good. So when we say legacy assets, we are talking about some assets that normally it gives prestige to the organization. It tells how prestigious or how ancient the organization has been. And they've been there for a very long time to the extent that they have outlived their useful lives. But then sometimes, as the year goes on, some of them can become useful at a certain time in the future. Are you getting it? So because they can become useful sometime in the future, when it is time in the future and then they become useful, we'll revalue them as a beginning cost. Are you getting the point? So we assume that their carrying amount in our book is 0. So they have left our books. But sometime in the future, when it becomes useful again, we will revalue them and cost them. Are you getting the point? Are we okay?
Yes.
Good. So the question is telling us that they revalued their legacy assets as follows, meaning that those assets, their book values were 0 long time, but now they've revalued it. So this revaluation figures automatically becomes a revaluation gain. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
If you have a carrying amount of 0, like in financial reporting, you have a carrying amount of 0, and now you've revalued to a new figure, the difference becomes a gain. Is that not it? Is that not it? Oh, my people, why are you not responding? Hey, a lot of people
Yes, that's it.
Alasan, Emmanuel and Co. Please contribute to the lesson. Oh, don't mute yourselves. Regina and Co. Don't mute yourself. Listen and contribute to the lesson so that you get full understanding. Other than that, you'll be doing chew and pour. You will not understand some basic things. I'm saying that their carrying amount in your books is 0, or they've left the books. So now if you revalue them to a new amount, then that new amount automatically becomes a revaluation gain, a surplus. Are you getting it? So you add them as revaluation surpluses. So those assets there, you ask them as revaluation surpluses. So open an account, call it revaluation surplus. Call it revaluation surplus and sum all of them there. So it's an accumulated fund, a fund. So 9, revaluation surplus. Remember I told you accumulated fund is what you call equity in private reporting. So you capture it there. So we have motor vehicles. Motor vehicles, how much? 50 to 50.
52.
Then we have buildings. No wonder in the statement there was no asset. Do you remember do you see there was no asset?
125.40.
Medical equipment and other equipment. Medical and other equipment.
31.5.
500. And then
Around 15,000.
15,000 land. So let's sum them. Then we go ahead. Note 3. Gavi, a major development partner, supported the hospital with amount of 200 million for the year 2023. 20% of this amount received was meant for the first quarter 2024. So that's an advance, right? Right? Do you agree it's an advance? Okay, so that means that the development partners grant, you see our grants and donations. Look here. In our grants and donations, let's go back. Grants and donations. You see, development partners give us 561,900. Can you see it here?
Yes, yes.
Now, out of that 561,900, they are saying that Gavi is one of them. Gavi, he contributed 200,000 out of this. Are you getting it? And that 200,000, 20% of it was what? Advance. So let's go and calculate that advance payment. Let's go and calculate that advance and say working 10. Advance development partner support. Is that 20% of that money? So 20% of 200,000. How much would that give you? In 40,000, right?
1,000.
40,000, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
now that 40,000 is an advance. So what do we do to it? We treat it as like I taught you something. I taught you something last week in the first example we solved, that anytime there is an advance revenue receipt or advance income, you can either treat it as part of payable or you can treat it as one line item under liability. Do you remember? Do you
Yes,
remember?
sir.
We saw it in market store fees. Do you remember when we're doing local government market store fees? We saw some advance, and I told you that the advance, you can treat it in two ways. You can decide to add it to the payables, or you can decide to separate it as a one-line item under liabilities. Do you remember? So let's go and treat it as one-line item under liabilities. However, this 40,000, it is an advance. So in the donations and grants for the year, donations and grants income for the year, this one, there is an advance relating to last year. So what must we do to it? So what must we do to that advance? We'll take it out. Is that clear?
Yes.
So advance, which was working number. The advance is working number what? 10, 40,000. So you take it out here, working number 10. You take that 40,000 out of the donations and grants. So please treat it. Please treat it. Then it says that also the global fund commitment to the hospital per the partnership agreement for the year was 250,000. So global fund commitment also gave them 250,000. However, only 200,000 was received by the hospital. So per the agreement, we were supposed to receive 250,000, and we actually received only 200,000. So the 50,000 will be what? A receivable. Is that not it?
Yeah.
Good. So let's treat it this way. What is it? So let's treat it this way. 11. Global Development Fund. Yes, the total was how much? 250, 250,000, The total was 250,000. Meanwhile, we've received only what? 200,000. So we show that that difference of 50,000 automatically should be what? A receivable. So this should be a receivable. Do we have an account for receivable? Have
Yes.
we prepared an account for receivable?
Yes.
So go to the account we have for receivable and go and put it there, 50,000. So that's it. So you go and put it the global fund, which we've worked in working 11. So that 50,000, go and add it to it. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Can we move? Treat them.
Yes.
Can we move?
Yes, sir.
Then the next footnote 4. The NHIA on 15 January 2024, and before the hospital forwarded the financial statements to the ministry, they issued a report on claims submitted for payment by health facilities for the month of October 2023. The report revealed that claims rejected amounted to 10% of the total submission of 100, 300,000 by the hospital. So you see, hospitals have been sending their claims to National Health Insurance Authority so that they reimburse them. Do you know that? Those who go to hospitals, those who attend hospitals using NHIS, the hospital takes records of all the amounts they have incurred as a result of NHIS, and they've been submitting those claims to the National Health Insurance Authority so that they will pay them. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
They are saying that as at the end of 2023, the hospital has submitted 100, 300 to NHIA, but NHIA rejected 10% of those claims. So it means that the 10% of those claims that they've rejected, it will reduce their IGF. Do you know that? Because the NHIA claims should be part of the IGF. So if they have rejected 10%, then that 10% should be reduced from the IGF. Are you getting the point? And then when it is reduced from the IGF, because they know that they have some money to receive from NHIS, they might have captured this as part of their receivables opening balance here. Am I making sense? Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Because they are aware,
Yes.
they are aware that they've made a submission to NHIA, waiting for the money. So they would have treated that full amount of money as part of their receivables. So now that NHIA have rejected that 10%, it means it should reduce the receivable. Are you getting it? So you come here and say rejected claim. So 10% of 100, 300. That will give you what? 100.
10,030.
So that will reduce this. Then when it reduces this, it will also go and reduce the IGF because that money, they would have also captured it as part of their IGF. Are you getting it? So where is our IGF? This is the IGF. Okay, we ended here. So we'll come and take the rejected claims of. So rejected claims. That 130. So we come and take it out. Are you getting the point? Please, do we understand?
Yes, please.
Good. Then the question went further. It says that in line with the PFM Act 2016 at 921, Parliament approved a write-off of 22,250,000 representing various hospital services provided to citizens by Paga Teaching Hospital over the year for which payments were not received. So Paga Teaching Hospital, they've rendered services to some citizens. Probably they were expecting that money. And so since they were expecting that money, again, they would have captured it as part of their receivables, true or false?
True.
And then now here's the case. They are asking us to write it off. So if we are writing it off, it will reduce our receivables. So we go to the receivables and I will say bad debt. Bad debt. How much is it? 20 what? How much is the amount? 2225. 2225. It will reduce our receivables. But please watch. When it reduces our receivables, it will also be an expense. You know, bad debt is an expense. So those expenses, we classify them as other expenses. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Bad debt is classified as other expense. So you go to, it's an open a working 12. Other expense. That's why in the expenditure, you say compensation of employees, goods and services, consumption of fixed capital, interest, subsidies, grants, social benefits, and others. So the other expenditure, other expenses like this comes the bad debt. So bad debt, 2225, right? Right? Are we okay?
Yes.
So tackle that. Then VI, the capital expenditure for the year is made up of medical equipment 19,236 and furniture and fittings 8,264. You see that the company did not have any assets anymore. So they revalued their legacy assets. You remember that? So the legacy assets they revalued, those values are assumed to be their new assets. Can you see? They didn't have existing assets, and so they revalued their legacy assets. So the legacy asset that was revalued, those figures are assumed to be new assets they have acquired. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello? Remember, I told you the legacy assets, they have been used over time and they have been taken off the books. If you have gone to revalue them and you brought them back, then those values are deemed to be new assets you've purchased, new values of assets you've purchased. Are you getting it? And so what it means is that they are saying that capital expenditure was also incurred during the year. That means they bought additional assets, which was medical equipment and then furniture and fittings. Are you getting it? So we can go and depreciate and calculate our consumption. So let's calculate our consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital. So all the legacy assets, they revalued. Give me those values one after the other. And then give me those values. Motor vehicle was what? Motor vehicle was what? 50, 250, right? But they've given us, look at the last note. GOG depreciation policy is motor vehicles what? 20%. So times 20%. Then the next one is what? Buildings. We are using the legacy assets, the revalued amounts. Buildings was 120, 540. And what's the policy for buildings? 5%. Are we following? Are we following?
Yes.
Medical equipment. Medical equipment was what? 31,500. What's the policy for medical equipment? 10%.
10%.
Then we have what? Land. You know land does not depreciate, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So land dash, so that you remember. So give me these figures. Now, in the statement note V, they said additional capital expenditure was made. So they bought additional assets, medical equipment. So we can add additional medical equipment. Additional medical equipment. And then they bought that one for how much? 19,236. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Medical equipment attracts 10%, so that one to 10%. Then they bought additional furniture and fittings too. So additional furniture and fittings. That one too, they bought it for 8,264. So 8,264. Now furniture and fittings, yes, furniture and fittings attracts what?
25%.
25%, so 25%. So calculate this one for me. Calculate this one for me. Yes. $6027. One 924 8264 times 0.25 2066. So sum all the consumption and let's see. Okay, we are here to do a summation, so let's move on. Oh, I think so. We finished everything. It's left with our inventory. Okay, so let's go to inventory. They said inventory at the year end were as follows. So inventory. Now, I taught you something on IPSAS 12 inventory. What was the policy I taught you? What did I teach you on IPSAS 12 inventory? Hello, let's not be lazy. What did I teach you on IPSAS 12 inventory? What did I say?
Inventory.
Hey, the first day, I gave you the clue on inventory, IPSAS 12. I said, if the inventory is for resale, you value it at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Do you remember that?
Yes, please.
But if it is for use, you value it at the lower of cost and replacement cost. Do you remember?
Yes.
So the question has told us that inventory were as follows. Medical, the medicines, that was for resale. So since it was for resale, we will value it as, so let me see. So let me do this so that you understand. Inventory. Okay, so inventory. The first one is what? Medicines. It's for resale. So how will we value it? Since this one is for what? Resale. We'll value at the low of what? Cost and what?
Net
So the cost is 14,800. The net realizable value is 132,100. So a 146,800 and 132,100. So we'll value it at 132,100. Then we have medical consumables, which is for use. So consumables, which is for use.
29,400.
For use, we'll value it at the lower of what? Cost and what?
Replacement
cost.
Cash replacement cost.
So the cost is 29,400. Replacement cost is 33,800. So we'll value it at what? 29,400.
400.
Are we okay?
Yes.
Please, are we okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Then the next one is what? Office consumables. That one, since it's even office crowd there, you know that it is used. Are you getting it? Since it's office, you have to know that it is used. Are you getting it? So lower of cost and net realizer 19,600 and then 2,400. We'll value it at 19,600, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So that is that. So if we have done this, now the inventory, since there was no purchase of inventory, it means that, do you remember I taught you that inventory, after valuing it, you will calculate the inventory used and then you go and charge it against goods and services. Do you remember?
Yes.
Please, do you remember?
Yes.
Yes, please.
I taught you that inventories, when you have gotten the valuation of inventory, you will take opening inventory, add purchases, and less the closing inventory to see the inventory used. And then you go and capture it as part of goods and services. So in this case, there was no opening inventory and there was no purchases. So for example, it's like this. It's like if we are looking for medicine inventory, opening inventory is nil, purchases is nil. Then closing inventory will deduct 132,100. So at the end of the day, it will be a negative of 132,100. This value, we'll go and charge it as part of goods and services. It means that we must deduct all these values from goods and services. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Please, do we understand?
Yes,
Are you
please.
understanding the rest? I'm not hearing, I'm seeing about 9 people online, but I'm hearing only 2 people's voices. Does it mean the rest are just going through and pour? I'll start mentioning them. So yes, Annette is not talking. ITEL 870 is not talking. Yes, where are they? Are they asleep or they are chewing?
We are all here.
We are here.
So let's go to our goods and services. Do we have an account for goods and services? Okay, so we have account for goods and services. So let's take inventory used. Which one is there? So let's total and just take it out. Let's add them. Add them for me and let's take all out. 132,100 plus 29,400 plus 19,600. I'm getting 181,100. Confirm for me.
Yes, 181,100.
181,100, eh? So let's go and charge it there. Working 14. Inventory used, working 14. 181,100. We'll take it out. Okay, so if that is done, then let's go back and sum all our, let's close them. Have you tackled it, please? Have you tackled it? Hello, have you tackled it?
Yes, sir.
So, the IGF is plenty, Papa. So cash and bank, start summing for us. Cash and bank, please start adding for us. Please, 2 people should add it so that we confirm the results. If one figure is wrong, it will affect us. So I beg you, 2 people should add it. Sum it and give us the results.
Bishop.
Yes.
Please, do we still calculate the depreciation since we are not using it, the revalue assets?
No, listen, it was revalued in the beginning. I'm saying that, remember that legacy assets, they don't depreciate, but now that you've revalued it and then you've given them a new value, then you depreciate it.
To still depreciate the new value.
Yes, the new value is now their cost at the beginning of the year. So over the year, it has depreciated.
Okay.
Do you get it? For previous years, it has lived its useful life. It was 0 in our books. But now we've gone to revalue all of them. We've costed it. So since you've costed it, throughout the year to depreciate again. Are you getting it?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good. So sum them for us. Please sum them for us. We need 2 results to confirm. I beg you.
So the cash and bank,
Mm-hmm.
290,100.
Please, somebody else should confirm. I don't want to write the wrong figure and come back. Can somebody confirm for me? He said 290,100. Can somebody confirm? Hey, 9 people. Nobody is helping us. Really? Let me do that by myself. 3,400 plus 72, 200 plus 210, 400 plus 4,000 plus 100. Yes, it's correct. It's correct. So now receivables. Yes, receivables. Help me with the receivables figure too. Receivables.
17700
Receivables figure what?
plus 50,000
Mm-hmm.
minus
Yes. Receivables.
then you want
Is it only one person doing the
20.
work? Oh, today we have become extremely lazy.
No,
Seriously.
no.
So give us
698.
698,845.
that's correct. 698.
845.
845. Then
That's
payables. The payables 452
so
400
payables. How much?
plus 200
Mm-hmm.
455 300.
That's correct. 455 300.
455, 300.
Okay.
Then donations and grants 561.
Wait. The donation, the advance, that this thing, the receivable of 50,000 we got, we didn't. The receivable of 50,000, we didn't add it. We are supposed to add it. We forgot the outstanding global fund. Can you see?
Yes.
The global fund receivable is a donation, so working 2. So we are supposed to add that 50,000 back. Please remember. Yes, so sum it for us. Sum it for us. Sum it for us.
571,900.
561.
571,100 is correct.
571,900.
900 is correct. Let's go to. Hey, IGF. Please take your time. This thing there. This thing they are doing is just to waste your time. Just imagine this. When you are in the exam hall and you need time to work and you give people 20 items to add. I see a cry. What is wrong with us? Is it the questions that are given to you, they don't show mercy on you at all. So if you are also joking, go to class today, they won't go and the rest. Sometimes I see danger ahead. Just imagine this. When you are writing exams, the whole paper is 3 hours and you need to work an easy question like this that you can work out quickly and get your 20 marks. Look at the number of items they've given you. Is it not deliberately to waste your time? Don't you think it's deliberate to waste your time?
Yeah, I think that is how Ghana education is. Every time they want you to suffer.
Please sum them and let's see. Sum them and let's see.
Plus 238 9. Is it 238 400 or 900?
400, 238, 400. Sum them for us. Normally, these things, if I'm working anywhere, even when I'm teaching, I do the summation twice to make sure I've confirmed my figure. Or please, in the exam, so I beg you, do your summations twice to confirm the figure. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello, are you listening to me?
Yes.
In the exam, so do your computations twice to confirm the figure. Because if you write the figure and maybe you didn't punch the calculator well and it's wrong, it will affect you. They don't care. So make sure that that also means that you must work faster. And that's why I'm solving more examples with you so that you grasp the strategies. Are you getting it? Yes, Sam, what are we getting?
1206 700.
What I've seen is 1,206 700 is wrong.
I
It's wrong.
put 1,2 for 100,000.
You see, another different figure. Let me see, 1,500 plus 433,900 plus 5,800 plus 110,400 plus 140,900 plus 238,400 plus 135,300 plus 8,300 plus 40,300 plus 5,300 plus 7,300 plus 30,000 plus 300 plus 3,000 plus 3,300 plus 200 plus 400 plus 3,400 minus 10030. Yes.
Okay.
What are you getting?
I got 1,230,970.
That's correct. 1,230,970.
230,970.
So this is the correct. You see, everybody was getting a different figure. So you have to add it twice. I beg you. In the exam, so add it twice. There's compensation. Sum the compensation for us. Compensation, sum it for us. Compensation, sum it for us. 3,912,500 plus 148.
25.
What are you getting? I'm getting 4,060,500.
4,060,500, yes.
Okay. Goods and services.
2,800 plus 9,785 plus 472,400.
I'm getting 1,290.
1,290,600, yes.
Revaluation surplus, add them. Revaluation surplus, add them.
50 to 50.
I'm seeing 217,290. 217,290. Right?
217,290, yes.
Okay.
Cost
Then
of
government of Ghana subvention, sum it for us.
391,2500.
Yes.
3,934.
9, hey,
3,934.
3,500, yes.
I'm seeing this. Okay, then consumption of fiscal capital, add it for me.
15. That's 60,27.
Consumption of fiscal capital, add it for me.
1924. 2066. 23217. 217. Please, someone else should confirm.
Yes, I think that's
Confirmed.
Okay, so we've done all our workings. So those who want to take screenshot, you take screenshot of the workings before we post them. Take screenshot of the pages before we post them. Please, those of you taking the screenshots, don't be selfish. You are all going to write an exams. If you pass, you are happy. I will also be happy that, all my efforts didn't go in vain. So your colleagues on the platform, you are like a family. If you take the screenshot, you've taken screenshots in class and then a page, something that you can just release on the page for 1 minute, and they'll be calling and sending messages that those who have taken the screenshot, and none of you bother. If you do this, it's wickedness. After all, the person who is teaching you himself, you are taking the thing for free. You are having the thing for free. And then somebody is asking you to share so that you can also read, and you don't share. Sometimes I don't understand human beings at all. Your own blood sister, blood brother is also writing exams with you. You have gotten something. You got it for free. and then the person say, share it. Let me also share in. Then you let them be calling me. Hey, in fact, in a day, 9, 10 people will be calling me. Oh, please, I couldn't join the rush hour. Can you let those who take the screenshot post it? And I tell them, oh, ask them on the page, because during the day, I'm very busy working here and there, and I will not have time to do that. Please don't let your friends struggle. Look, some people, due to the nature of their work, they are rather available during the day. At night, some will close from work. I know somebody who works, and the nature of his work, he closes at 1 a.m. When he closes at 1 a.m., he will drive towards the house. So in the morning, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., he's now asleep, and he will wake up around 10 a.m. and he will have free time. If this person too gets what do you call it, the PDF, he can also be able to revise. And then when they call me, I'm expecting that when they call me asking questions, they should ask, please, how did you treat this item? I don't understand. Explain to me. Then I explain. But the student will call me and say, please, do you have the screenshot? Me, who is teaching you that? How can I be keeping screenshots? Hello?
So
Hello?
let's go to the next page.
So I beg you, please, when you take the screenshots, share it for them. I beg you. So we're
Okay.
taking this one, the next page. When you take it, I beg you, share it for them. Are you done? Can we move? Can we move?
Let's move.
The next one. Can we move?
Let's move.
Are we fine? Are we fine?
So wait. Okay, we can move.
Okay, so let's go and prepare the statements. Government of Ghana subvention, that is working number what? Check your workings. Government of Ghana subvention is working number what? Number 8,
8.
3,934,500. So please check your working and mention for me. Number 8, 3 what? 934
500.
500. IGF is working number what? IGF working
Working
number
number
5.
5.
1, 230, 970. 1, 230, 970. Donations and grants. Donations and grants is working number what?
4.
4.
Working number 4.
571,900.
571,900. Let's go to the expenditure. Compensation of employees. Working number what? Compensation of employees.
6.
Working number
Question number 6. 4060,500.
4060,500. Goods and services. Working number. Goods and services. Working number.
7.
7.
7.
1290600.
1,290,600.
600.
Consumption of fixed capital. Working number.
Okay.
Working number
13.
13. What is the figure?
23217.
23217. Okay. Then we don't have interest. We don't have
2,
subsidies.
2, 3, 2, 1, 7.
Yes, we don't have interest. We don't have subsidies. We don't have grant expenditure. We don't have social benefit, but we have other expenditure, right?
Yes. 20225.
20.
225.
So please sum the total revenue for us. 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 What are we getting?
But 3934500 plus 1230 917.
I'm getting 5737370.
Confirmed.
5737370. Yes.
And the expenditure.
$2060.
I'm getting 5,394,542. What are you getting? 5,394,542.
20.
Right?
3763.
Yes, it's correct.
5,394.
5,394,542.
So which one is more? The revenue is more, so a surplus. So a surplus of 5,737,370 minus answer. I'm getting a surplus of 342,828. 342,828. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is my surplus. So let's find accumulated fund. Please, accumulated fund, go and give me the opening balance. Go and give me the opening balance of accumulated fund. Accumulated fund. What's the opening balance by the trial balance? Please check your trial balance. What's the accumulated fund opening balance?
327,500.
Is it on the debit or credit side?
327,500.
Is it debit or
Credit.
credit? Credit. That means it's positive.
Credit.
That means
It's credit.
positive. Then the surplus for the year. Yeah, the surplus is for 342,828. Sum it for us.
670,328.
670.
328.
Okay. So my brother, take this one too. The one taking the screenshots. Take this one too.
Please, I will take. Hold on.
Are we fine?
Oh,
Please,
hold
no.
on.
Please, no.
Okay, we can go.
Okay, then statement of financial position, non-current assets. So it means we will have to go and do our PPE shell, right? Property, lands, and equipment. So I told you that should be your last working, so you can leave it for now. Let's do the current assets. Current assets. You know your current assets, inventory, receivables, cash and bank. Give me the inventory. Inventory is working number what? Inventory, working number. I think it's part of the last workings. Quickly.
14.
And then the figure is what? Hey, your network. Yes. Who is giving us the figure?
100. 181. 181, 100.
Receivables. 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 Working number what?
2. 2.
And the figure is what?
698, 845.
845. Cash and bank. Cash and bank. Working number.
1.
And the figure is
290, 100.
now in the trial balance, there was some investment which we labeled as current assets. Is that clear? In the trial balance, there was an investment which we called Current assets. How much is it? 2,000, right? Right?
Yes, 2,000.
Let's go to liabilities and funds. Liabilities and funds. Yes. Payables. Payables, what's the working number and then the money?
Number 3. Working number 3.
And then the amount is
455,300.
455.
455,300.
So that's our payables. Then the advance development partners. Are you getting it? The advanced development partners, which I told you we should treat as a separate line item. It was working number what? Working 10,
Working
40,000.
number 10, 40,000.
Are you okay? Then I think there was a trust fund. You had a trust fund in the trial balance. Trust fund, it was in the trial balance. Trust fund, then the revaluation surplus. In the trial balance, you had a trust fund.
Your trust fund 10,000.
10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Hey, is there only one person online? Is there only one person online? Trust fund.
700.
So 10,700. Revaluation surplus, working number.
700.
Yes, revaluation surplus, working number. Revaluation surplus, working number. Revaluation surplus. 9,217,290. Then accumulated fund. All our workings was for 14, so accumulated fund, let's call it 15. $673,280. So add the liabilities and funds and let's check. Please sum the liabilities and funds for us and let's check. 455,300 plus 40,000 plus 10,700 plus 217,290 plus 670,328. I'm getting 1,393,618. So sum the rest and take it out and let's see the PPE figure. I'm getting 221,573. I'm getting this. Let's go and check. Let's go. Please, are you following? Are we following? Hello, my people. Francis,
Yes, we are
Annette,
following.
Diba, and Paul. Are you following?
Yes.
Yes, we are following.
So let's go and do the PPE to confirm. Let's go and do the PPE to confirm if our answer is right. So working 16. Property, plant, and equipment. So those legacy assets they give us, those legacy assets from the question, list them. The legacy assets there. We have motor vehicle buildings. So let's the motor vehicles, buildings, medical equipment. Okay, so motor vehicles, building, medical equipment, land. Then later they came to buy furniture and fittings. Furniture and fittings. Then total. So let's take the cost. So this is revaluation. So give me the revaluation value 50, 250. Building was 125.40. 31,500. Land 15,000. Pieces and fittings, there was no. Then there was an addition. Later they bought medical equipment 19,236. Please, are you following?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then furniture and equipment 8,264. So that brings us the cost. Let's go to depreciation. We didn't have any depreciation. So we didn't have any accumulated. So for the year, for the sake of students who would not see obvious things, let me do this. So depreciation, the balance brought forward, that is accumulated. It was dashed for all of them. Then consumption for the year. Which you worked in working number what? Consumption for the year worked in working number what? 13. Let's see. Motor vehicle 10,050. 10,050. Building 6027. 6027. 3150. 3150. And then land didn't depreciate, but additional land didn't depreciate. This was also not there. Then there was an addition. So the addition, we have medical equipment 1924. Medical equipment was 1924. And then this one was furniture and fittings 2066. 2066. So sum all of them, get a total depreciation. So please sum them for me. 50, 250. 120, 540. 2150. Plus 19,236. 5736. 15,000. 8,264. Let's get a total. 50, 250 plus 120, 540 plus 5736 plus 15,000 plus 8,264. 244,790. 3074. So the carrying amount. So the carrying amount. First is A. This is B. 40-200. 540. 3027. Please, are you confirming my results? Are you confirming my results?
Yes, sir.
45. 15,000. 8264 minus 2066. 6198. And the total. In the 3217. Two two one five seven three. Is that what you got? 221573. Yes, it's correct. 221573. So it has balanced. Can you see? We are balanced. So please take this one. My brother, take this one as the last screenshot.
Okay.
Please, let me add the totals there. Let me add the totals there. Please take this one.
Okay.
Have you taken it?
No, please wait.
Those of you writing, finish it up. A lot of people have been off. Alas and Shaibu, you of all people, you've been off today. Annette, Irina Siedu, Jiba, Sesi, Matthew, Abaturi, you are all quiet today. What is going on? Alas and Shaibu, Annette, Irina Siedu, Matthew, Abaturi. What has happened to all of you?
Sir, today I joined late. Also, I joined late. I was lost in the process.
So let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. When I started the rush hour with you, it's supposed to start at 4 o'clock. Do you remember that the first 3 meetings we had, the first 3 on different courses, I came a bit late, sometimes 4:10, 4:20, but from the 4th meeting, I've been starting exactly at 4 o'clock. Have you realized that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So how do I do that? Am I not a human being too? How do I do that? You need self-discipline. You have to set your alarm. If you set your alarm, I set my alarm to 3:45. So if you monitor the platform, you realize that from 3:50, I start giving you information that you should be ready to join. Have you realized that?
Yes, sir.
So I set my alarm to 3:45. So immediately, 3:45, the alarm rings, I wake up. When I wake up, the first thing is I'll just take the phone beside me. I put the phone right beside me. So I just take the phone beside me. Then I give you a message that you should be ready to start. Then from there, I come and put on the computer, set up the Zoom, then I get on board. So you need to be disciplined. At least if you've been sleeping, you are not used to this for a long time. But since you've now become used to it, when you do it once, twice, it must be part of you. And I'm sure if it is money we are sharing, you even stay overnight and wait for your time. So you have to be tactically disciplined. And
It's true, sir.
are we okay? Is everybody okay?
Yes, sir. We're okay.
So go and take the statement of financial position. So go and snap this. The statement of financial position. Snap it. So snap it. Take a screenshot of the statement of financial position. Take a screenshot. Are you done?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yes.
So, yes, I want to hear, we are close now. I want to hear the responses. Is everybody fine? Emmanuel, Francis, Jiba, Bukwe, Joseph, Gavin, Matthew,
Yes.
Ike,
Yes.
Regina,
Yes, we
Alaska,
are fine.
Annette. Regina Otuba, is she here? Is Regina here? Annette, is Annette here?
Yes, we are fine.
Irene Asiedu, are you here? Irene Asiedu, is she here?
Yes, she's here. I'm here.
Okay, so this is the statement of, so we started from here. This is the statement of financial performance. This is the statement of financial position. This is it. Now, so far, with all the examples we have solved, what do you see? Don't you see that always there is an advance payment and then an amount receivables and then the inventory? Don't you see that every day is the same thing? Advance payment, money that has been received is left with part to be received, evaluation of inventory and how to treat it. Don't you see that it's always around the same thing? Donations and grant, it's always around the same thing. There is nothing anywhere. The questions are always the same questions. So please make sure you master this. Now we've done preparation of the accounts. So since we've done preparation of the accounts, the next thing we are now going to look at the other aspect, interpretation. We'll look at interpretation of the consolidated fund. Then we look at how to interpret the consolidated fund using ratios. Then we come and look at common size and that kind of thing. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we'll look at that. In fact, the two of them alone, the calculation, the preparation of the statement, and then the interpretation, those two alone is about 40 marks. So you have to be careful. Then the standard.
Class.
Then the standards. So the standards, what I'll do is, by the time we come, when we finish the interpretation, then I'll also come and take some 10 key standards and tackle them with you. So you'll be surprised that preparation of the statement alone, 20 marks, then the interpretation to 15 marks, that's about 35. Then the standards too, another 20 marks, that is 45. Look, you are writing exams that you need 50 to pass. And there is a calculation area alone, which is also about 50 marks. If I were you, and the calculation areas too are small and it's easy to understand. If I were you, I will master those areas to the extent that all the calculation areas out of 50, I'll make about 35. I find some small theories on it, then I'm gone. PSA is not as easy as you see. The theories are many. So please understand your calculations quickly so that you have time to read a lot of the theories. And it is my hope that, your position will be better. So I believe we have had a good day.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when again is public sector? When are we meeting again for PSA? Per the timetable, when is it again?
I think it's to be on Friday.
Friday. Okay. So I'll notify you tonight ahead of Friday. Tomorrow, Thursday, what do we have?
We have man accounting.
Tomorrow, man accounting. Okay. So man accounting, please, man accounting, those writing, I gave you some questions to look for. And I said somebody should share the PDF on the page. Up to now, nobody has shared private medical practice and 3 services. Look for the question bank. I learned there are some 2 questions there like that. They are very dangerous questions. Look for it and put a PDF on the page. If you don't, me, the lecturer, I'm not writing exams. So if I go and search and I find a question and I come to class and you, the student who is going to write the exams, you don't have the question, I'll deem you as an unserious student and I will move and leave you, to be sincere. If I go and then now I'm looking for the question bank, I have not gotten a copy, I'm going to call students to look for it and then snap it and share it with me. So if I, the lecturer, I do my homework to look for the question, and you, the student, you come to class and you say you've not found the question, it shows how lazy you are. You get the point?
Yeah.
All right. So on that note, it's been a good day. We'll meet again on Friday. Till then, may the good Lord be with us all.
Thank you.